Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? It's Mo here, not having the greatest of days. But I thought I'd record a special little message for you, especially for those times when you're going through those dark times, those difficult days. Um, just hold on just a little longer, okay? We can see this eye is really swollen. Feels like my body is betraying me. But you know what? When you're going through those really hard times and you just want to give up, just do one thing for me. Hold on just a little longer. Just a little longer and just a little longer. If it feels like you just can't fight anymore, rest. Sometimes resting is all you can do. Rest until you can fight again. But please, 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 please don't give up. Resting is not giving up. Resting is recharging. Hang in there just a little longer. And if that still seems impossible, then the only thing I need you to do today is breathe. You don't have to sit up. You don't even have to brush your teeth. Take a shower. Just breathe. And maybe if you feel a little stronger after you're done breathing, maybe you can eat a little bit. And that's already 2 things you've done for the day. Don't let anybody tell you that's nothing. You breathed, you ate. And some days that's all you can do. And if you need to take your medication, take your medication. Breathe, eat, and take your medication until you feel a little stronger and you can do a little more. But for right now, hang in there. Just a little longer. We'll make it through this. I promise. It won't just go away overnight, and it won't get better right away. It might never actually be really good, but you can deal with it for just a little while. Just one more breath, and after that, one more breath. Hang in there just a little longer.